Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this question was from chapter Rotational Motion, and the question is, a coin is placed on a disc. The coefficient of friction between the coin and the disc is mu. If the distance of the coin from the center of the disc is r, the maximum angular velocity which can be given to the disc so that the coin does not slip away is what? Options are 1, under root mu g by r, 2, mu upon root rg, 3, mu g upon r, 4, under root r upon mu g. Now see here, a coin is placed on the disc. It is at a distance r from the center. And now, if the disc is rotated with angular velocity omega, then here we can understand this thing, this coin will experience the centrifugal force. Now, here the coefficient of friction that is given to you between coin and disc is mu. So frictional force is there, and due to frictional force, the coin will remain on the disc. But which condition should be satisfied in this one? Now, for the motion of the coin, the required centripetal force, that should be less than or equal to maximum frictional force. If your required centripetal is more than the maximum frictional force, then it will not sustain on the disc. It implies that here F centripetal, the required centripetal force for the coin to sustain its motion and to remain it on the disc, that should be less than or equal to F maximum. Now, centripetal force, that is m omega square r, omega square r, that is the centripetal acceleration, into mass, that is the centripetal force. So that should be less than or equal to mu mg, that is the maximum frictional force. So m cancelled on both the side, and we want the maximum angular velocity. So here omega, that should be less than or equal to under root mu g upon r. So we can say this thing, the maximum permissible value for omega, that is under root mu g upon r. So as per given options, our answer, that is 1. Clear?